Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about why you should never purchase the Princess Plus or Princess Premier drink packages, and why the Princess Plus and Princess Premier packages are always a better deal. Princess is being sneaky, and we're going to expose them now. If you want to save money and get more out of your cruise, well, then you need to keep watching. So let's start by breaking down why purchasing a drink package alone can be a costly mistake. Both the Princess Plus drink packages and the Princess Premier drink package look tempting if you're just thinking about drinks. But here's the catch. You'll be paying an extra 18% gratuity on top of the base price of those packages. So let's take a closer look at just how much you're actually going to be spending. The Princess Plus drink package costs $64.99 per day. After adding the 18% gratuity, the real cost is $76.69 per day. So when you thought that you were just going to pay for, I'd say just going to pay, but when you were going to pay $454.93 for a 7-night cruise, you will actually pay $536.83. That's a difference of $81.90. Now let's look at the Princess Premier drink package cost. It's showing the cost of $84.99 per day, but after adding that 18% gratuity, the real cost is $100.29 per day. With this package, instead of paying $594.93 for a 7-night cruise, you're going to end up paying $702.03. That is a difference of $107.10. Now get this, you're going to spend over $76 per day for the Plus drink package and over $100 per day for the Premium drink package, and this is just for drinks. Did you know that you could be getting a lot more for less money with the full Princess Plus or Premier packages? Here's something that you may not have realized. We're actually talking about two different options here. The Princess Plus and Princess Premier drink packages are not the same as Princess Plus and Princess Premier packages. The key word here to watch for is drink. The Plus and Premier packages already include the drink package, so if you're booked with one of those, there's no need to buy the drink package separately. You're already covered. This is an easy detail to overlook, but it can make a big difference in both cost and benefits. And here's another benefit. The Princess Plus and Premier packages already include the 18% gratuities, so you don't have to figure that in. So let's look at this. Let's compare the Princess Plus package with cost of $60 a day in comparison to the $64.99 a day only for the drink package, and this includes Princess Plus drink package with it, but it doesn't have the extra gratuity charge. So for $60 a day, what are we getting other than the drink package? So just like the drink package, you are covered up to $15 for the Plus package per drink. Now, you also get unlimited Wi-Fi for one device. You do get gratuities included. Now, this is separate than the 18% gratuities. This is the gratuities that you'll be charged either, well, you can prepay them before your cruise, or they'll be added onto your bill at the end of the cruise. Now, this package includes those in there, so you don't have that extra charge at the beginning or at the end. Now, this also includes casual dining perks. You get 2 per sailing, so 2 of the casual restaurants. You get 2 premium desserts per day. You get Ocean Now fee waived. Now this is that delivery anywhere on board thing, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. You also get 2 fitness classes per sailing. You get drinks, bottled water, specialty coffee, and a juice bar. You get a wide selection of non-alcoholic soft drinks and premium coffees, and they even give you up to 25% off bottles of wine. So let's look at this. So instead of paying the $76.69 per day, after you add the gratuities, of course, the 18%, for just drinks with the Princess Plus drink package, you could be paying $60 per day for the entire Princess Plus package, which already includes the drink package and gives you Wi-Fi, gratuities, and dining perks at no extra cost. Instead of paying the $536.83 just for drinks on a 7-night cruise, you can get all of this and the drinks for $420. That is a savings of $116.83, and you get so much more with it. Okay, so now let's look at the Princess Premier package. Now this costs $90 a day, and it also includes the Premier drink package and no extra gratuities. So for $90 a day, you get the Premier drink package with drinks up to $20. You also get unlimited premium drinks, bottled water, specialty coffees, and the juice bar. For the Wi-Fi, in the Plus package, you get one device. Now with the Premier package, you get unlimited Wi-Fi for up to 4 devices. And the good thing about this, you can even share that amongst your family if you wish. It's just 4 devices. It doesn't specify who's using those devices. This package also includes gratuities. Now these gratuities are for your room stewards and your wait staff. This is not that 18%, but it does include that as well. It includes unlimited specialty meals. This used to be a limit to 2 per voyage and has since been changed to unlimited. These on average are $30 to $35 per person per visit. That alone can add up fast. It also includes unlimited casual meals. Now the casual restaurants are typically around $15 per person on average. If you want to go to those for lunch or dinner, that can add up as well. Now the Premier package does include unlimited digital photos taken on board by their photographers. Now photos can be expensive. Now you can get as many of these pictures as you want. You can go to all the little photo stations and you get them all for free with this package. Now these are unlimited digital photos, so you do have to pay for prints. This package also includes unlimited specialty desserts. Now this is going to be like your milkshakes and your specialty cakes, that sort of thing. It also comes with free Ocean Now delivery. This is where the waiter will bring you your food or drink anywhere on the ship. They track you down using your medallion. Without this package, then you have to pay a one-time fee of $15 to get this benefit. This also comes with priority seating at shows and events. Now this is primarily for production shows only. The seating area is just okay, and they hold the spots until about 5 minutes before showtime. This perk is alright, I would say, but in my opinion, it's not the best reason to purchase this higher package. If you're running late for a show, it's good to have to ensure that you get a seat, but if you get there early enough, you can find much better seats in the theater. Another cool perk of the Princess Premier package is their Princess Prizes. While you're out to sea, every time that you open your stateroom door, it's like giving a spin on a wheel. You could score anything from onboard credit to wine tasting or even a free cruise. Now, full disclosure, I've sailed with Princess a bunch of times and I haven't won anything yet. Maybe I'm just a bit unlucky, I would say, but I have heard viewers write me and say that they've won everything from cold hard cash to a free cruise, so it's definitely possible. Maybe my luck will turn around one day, we'll see. If you've happened to win, drop a comment below and let me know what awesome prize that you scored. Another thing that's included is you also get unlimited free room service delivery. Now without this, there is a $5 delivery fee per room service order. Now that doesn't mean that if you or your spouse or your kids order room service at the same time you do, that it's $5 per order. That just means that every time that they come to your room, that there is a $5 delivery fee for that room service order. Let's take a quick look at the math behind this. So instead of paying $100.29 per day for the Princess Premier drink package alone, for $90, you could have the entire Princess Premier package, which not only includes the drink package, but everything that we just talked about. Instead of paying $702.03 for just drinks, you will get all of this for $630. I've had people tell me, well, I don't drink, so just give me the soda package, I'll be fine. I'll pay for the other stuff as I need it. Well, depending on what you're going to purchase outright, it might be better to at least get the Plus package. Then again, maybe all you need is the soda package. So let's look at that real quick. The classic soda package includes all sodas, fruit juices, mocktails, and smoothies. Now this package is around $14.99 US per person per day. For a 7-night cruise, it'll cost you around $104.93. Now this does not count gratuities. The gratuities can be pre-purchased or they're added on at the end of your cruise. Those are around $16 per person per day. Now, once again, these gratuities are not the 18% that's charged to your alcoholic drinks. This is the gratuities that is for your room steward and the wait staff for the restaurants. So once again, those are around $16 per person per day. That's $112 for a 7-night cruise. We're now up to $216.93. The Princess Plus is $420. So right now that's a difference of $203.07. So you have to decide if you want any of the other benefits that come with the Princess Plus package or not. If you decide that you want the internet, that's about $25 a day. For a 7-day cruise, that's $175. So now you only need to spend $28.07 to justify that Plus package. That could easily be done by adding the Ocean Now delivery for $15 or a couple room services for $5 each. Go to a casual restaurant for $15, get a special dessert for around $12 to $15 each. There are several ways to break even. You just have to decide if it's the right fit for you. Here's a bonus tip for you since you stayed with us this long. When booking the Princess Plus or Premier packages online, both guests, if they are 21 years of age and older, will automatically be selected for the same drink package. But here's something to keep in mind. If you or your travel companion doesn't drink, can't drink, or simply doesn't drink enough to justify the package, then you can actually call Princess and request a lower package for that person. Now, while we've never personally done this because we use their packages, we've had clients and viewers like you tell us that it's worked for them. The only thing that Princess asks is that you don't share your package with others. If you do, you risk losing your package privileges without a refund. So don't try to play the system. It could backfire. So what's the bottom line? Well, it's pretty straightforward. There's no reason to buy a drink package on its own when the Princess Plus and Princess Premier packages include it at a better value. Plus, they have so much more. The Princess Plus package is especially easy to justify. You'll definitely get your money's worth out of that. The Princess Premier package might be a little trickier to justify, but if you plan to dine at the specialty restaurants on board and you need Wi-Fi for more than one device, it's a great deal too. When you add up all of the value of the Princess Plus and Premier packages, it goes far beyond just drinks. So don't make the mistake of overpaying for a limited experience when you could get so much more for less. If you've ever been tempted to buy a drink package, I hope this has helped you see why it's not worth it on Princess Cruise Line. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried any of these packages before. If you're ready to book your next cruise, be sure to reach out to your favorite local travel advisor. Don't have one? Reach out to us. We will be glad to help you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next adventure.